This is take 5 apparently of me recording this video. What's up guys? My name is Subject and today we're going to talk about on how you can improve the audio quality of your videos on the cheap using a smartphone that you already have and your headphones or your earpods or just any set of earphones that have inline microphones. So what you want to do is grab your phone, and what you then want to use is the voice memos app. So by default it's probably in the extras folder, and what you want to do is open it, and then you want to just start recording, and you want to plug your AirPods in or your headphones and then route it under your shirt and as close to your mouth as possible. So I have it over here. That's my microphone. And then what you want to do is clap like I did at the beginning of the video, so like this, and then you just sync it up and post in Premiere, Final Cut, or whatever editor that you use. I'm gonna use Premiere for this tutorial real quick because I know how that works, and we'll see how it goes. Also, if you're wondering what this waveform is, that's actually from an anime. It's an ending song. If you know what this song is, please write it in the comments, and then I'll pin you up top. So let's jump into Premiere now. Okay, so once you're in Premiere, you want to import the footage and the audio, and you have them as 2 separate tracks. So normally what you would do is try to line up the audio like this and then zoom in, fine tune it, but Premiere actually has a function that you can just sync it up based on the audio that's in there. So what you actually want to do is select all the clips, click synchronize, click audio, track, and boom, synchronized. So what happens now is if I go through this and your headphones or your earpods. Okay, you can hear both tracks now, and it's kind of amplified. So what we actually want to do is mute this one, or just any set of earphones that have inline microphones. So what you want to do is, look at that, the sound is like way better than this track. Grab your phone and then unlock it. So there you have it. You can use your phone as a proper lav mic for your video creations and improve the audio quality by a lot. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, click that like button, share it if you want to do that, leave a comment, don't forget to guess what song it is, and I'll see you guys in the next video.